Nohur Lake in Gabala, Azerbaijan is one of the most peaceful and scenic spots in the region, known for its calm turquoise water and the stunning backdrop of the Caucasus Mountains. The lake is surrounded by dense forests and fresh mountain air, making it a perfect place for visitors who want to escape city noise and enjoy natural beauty. Although it is not a natural lake and was originally created as a water reservoir, it has become a major tourist attraction because of its picturesque setting. People often visit to take relaxing boat rides, enjoy quiet walks along the shore, or simply sit and admire the reflections of the mountains on the still water. The atmosphere is very calm, and the lake is usually less crowded, which makes it ideal for families, couples, and anyone looking for a serene environment. Many travelers describe it as one of the most photogenic places in Gabala, especially during sunrise or sunset, when the colors of the sky blend beautifully with the water.